How to change your name on Candy Crush. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how you can change name on Candy Crush. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Candy Crush application in your mobile device. After you open up, if you see there under play button there is my account, tap on it. After you do that, you land on this page that says King account. So if you're logged in with your King account, that means with your Gmail or email and a password, here you will have the edit button just below your name. Tap on edit. Now under this page, under the nickname field, you can change your name the way you want. For example, I want to remove this name and set my name as like this. If you want to shape it, simply tap on Save Changes and your name will be public, which is used as a nickname. So tap on Save Changes, and with that your name is now changed on Candy Crush. But if you have logged into Candy Crush using your Facebook account, then your name will automatically sync with your Facebook name. And that's how you can change your name on Candy Crush. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.